the thing. Malapit naman Christmas, di pa ako nakaka-vlog, and I've been procrastinating this for like a month. So my last vlog is nung November, nung Halloween, and my latest vlog is today. So, here's the thing. Christmas, holiday na, marami pa akong backlogs and pendings, marami pa akong gawain sa school, and we also have this final project to submit December 29. And sa December 29 na yun, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy this holiday since gagawin namin yung final project na yun na hindi pa siya finished, hindi pa siya finalized, hindi pa siya polished, and such. Kaya yun. So my friend came over last night. Ginawa namin some of the things that we need to do, like a to-do list. So to-do list pa lang ginagawa namin for like one night, one day. And implementing it whatsoever is maraming gawa. So God bless and Merry Christmas. Basta na yun, yung student that ma-okay siya kasi yun na lang pinakamadali. So, it's December 24 and it's also my lola's birthday sa mother's side, and magkakaroon kami ng salo-salo to celebrate her birthday sa bahay niya. And after this, we're going to my tita's place sa father's side. Father's side naman, since yearly nagkakaroon kami ng Christmas party sa father's side. And also, ayan, magkasama-sama kami, magsasalo-salo kami for that day, for this day. So, typically, December 25 yun. But, since with the hectic schedule siguro, ginawa namin 24. So, saka naman naging hectic since two celebrations in one date. And after that, so, ayun, that sums up my day for this December 2024.
Isda na sinigang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Black Rose, wangay ni Mama, ang ika 78 na birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Dahil nagapakot.
Alam mo ba hindi ko mata? Yan na naman yan. Yan o, nasa harapan. Yan o.
Wala pa. Kuya. Man.
Yung sabi ako ka na
Sadyang nag-awitan. Yet only you know how sway on.
Tapos, bago kayo limang card, i-shuffle mo muna ng limang card. Kailangan may shuffle.
Tapos, sit mo sa ano.
Nag-ukay.
Ayan na.
Mata-
Oh, ready na. Ready na. Tapos na kayo nagsalansan lahat. Oh, ayos. Ayos.
Ay!
Tapos na to.
Manood! Manood! Dali! Bilis! Ano bang baba? Dapat ma-practice lang yun. Kailan pa? Kailan pa naman ito? Sa barbecue. Ako sa na. Kuha ka lang sa kanya.
Si Evan. Ate Bel. Asan si Ate Bel? Wala man. Ate Rosie.
Dami naman. Bukbak, tanggalin mo. May ganyan ako. Tignan mo ang kasha sa'yo. Uy, parisan talaga yan! That's all for this video. So, makikita nyo naman na haggard na ako, hulas na yung aking face. And also, grateful naman ako sa gifts na mga na-receive ko and also sa mga pamasko. All of that, makakatulong siya for my baon since di na ako nagingin ng baon this second year college. So, after nito, magre-relax lang before magawa ng system sa IM. And also, next vlog ko is about yung journey or like sa paggawa namin ng system sa IM this 26, 27, 28 and 29 pagpasa. Pero before nun, meron ding snippets on my Christmas snippets. Kung anong gagawin namin sa Christmas, if masini ba or what. So, yun. And, yun lang naman. So, sana matuloy-tuloy yung vlog ko. And if ever hindi, okay lang din naman. Basta makarelax na yung holidays. So, that's it for my video.